What up guys, Rob from ChollinMotorParts.com here to show you how to replace the MotorGuide 5-speed knob. This 5-speed knob is for this style of MotorGuide foot pedal. It connects to your 5-speed rotary switch to control the speeds of your motor. On the inside of the knob, there is a small detent that lines up with your rotary switch. It's very common for these to strip out, causing your knob to just spin freely. It's an extremely simple fix, so let's get started. Okay, so first thing we're going to want to do is shut the power off to the motor. Next, we're going to go ahead and put the heel down on the foot pedal. This will give us access to the back side of the knob. Next, we're going to remove the knob from the foot pedal. There's a retaining ring that holds the speed knob to the pedal. To remove this, we're going to need a pair of snap ring pliers. You're going to want to turn this knob until you can get access to the top side of the retaining ring. And once the retaining ring is removed, we can pull the knob out. You'll notice on the shaft of the switch there is a detent that will match up with the detent on your speed knob. So we're going to turn our speed knob until it lines up with the switch. Now we can slide the knob back into place. Now that the knob is back in, we can put our retaining ring back on. It helps if you use your other finger to line up the back side of the retaining ring. And once the knob is tight, check that the speed knob is turning the shaft of the switch. And if it is, you are finished. Again, if you need to pick up the parts, we'll have the link for you in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you guys have any questions, make sure to let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and keep trolling.